Howdy everyone. Hey, we're doing a video on gorilla carts. This is the 10 cubic feet, 1,500 pounds, 16-inch wheels. This is awesome. Gorilla cart sent it to me to do a video. And here's what it consists of. Size and this and that. I'll be using this on the four-wheeler a lot on the farm for odds and ends. But yeah, I just want to show you this what we got, and we're getting ready to put it together. There's tons of videos of there, people putting them together and all that kind of stuff. But I just want to give a shout out to Gorilla, because they did me a favor, but send me a cart. I'm gonna do some videos for them. Now, thank you so much, Gorilla Carts. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna put it together, and I'm not gonna bore y'all with all that. But it's gonna probably. I'll show you some stages. I will do that. All right, y'all. Well, be back here shortly, and I'll give you some more updates. All right, now. Okay, folks. Here we go so far. We got it out of the box, and we're getting ready to put it together. So bear with me. Take my knife, my Leatherman wave, and we'll cut these straps. All right. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Got 4 wheels in it. Woo! That's some big wheels, baby, y'all. All right, now let's get to work. All right, we'll see you here shortly. Hey, folks, we're back. We got the rear axle on, and got the front dump spring on the front mounted, and went together really good. And up underneath here, you can see where the bolts are, and over there. All right. Yep, she's solid construction. I'm not kidding. I'm getting ready to put this dump plate on now, dump cart frame and plate, and we'll be back here shortly. Okay. All right, folks. All right, I'll take care. Hey, y'all, we're back. We're doing the gorilla cart. I got safety glasses on and all that good stuff. Stocking caps, about 45 degrees out. Pretty chilly. Got the wood stove going. But yeah, it's coming along right good. All right, let me give you a better look at it. All right. Got the front axles on, the front rear axles, and I went ahead and greased them before I put my wheels on. And the pivot point right here, I greased that inside, and over here, that pivot point right there, I greased that, and I also greased my front latch right here, inside here, and over here. Yeah, there you can see it right down there. But anyway, don't have to, but I just my precautions from later on to keep everything nice, greased, and lasts a long time. But now I'm getting ready to put the wheels on and the front tongue, and we'll be ready to go. All right, we'll be back here shortly. Okay, folks, how y'all doing? We're back. We got the gorilla cart. It's the biggest one you can get in the poly. It's a 1,500 pound with 16-inch wheels. This thing rocks, y'all. It is. I mean, look at the 16-inch wheels. I mean, it's a smooth operator. I mean, And it's got high ground clearance. Everything I need. You know, firewood, this, that, the whole 9 yards. It's got great hardware all the way around on it. Very good hardware. And there you go. There's the wheels. And here's the front. This you can take this right here and pull the pin out, flip around, and put it on your ATV. Or you can just pull it around like this, as so. But she is slick. And it turns. I like that. So you're going to drag a deer out the woods in a cart, or you know, or anything. You want to haul firewood out of the woods, anything you want to do. This be excellent. A whole lot of back breaking work. But this, oh, this is cool, y'all. I'm gonna put this right here. All right, I'll pull this pin out right here. One second. There we go. There's the whole cart. As you see, I got that grease a little bit, but she is, it's a stout puppy there, y'all. I'm not kidding you. And these are just bumping a little bit. I'm liking it. I can't wait to put it in action. All right, let's set this back down. And here she dumps completely all the way. Okay, let's set her down. Now you gotta do it like this. And it locks in place. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice cart. I mean, anybody needs one for ATV or around the yard or garden tractor. Didn't mean to swivel. Sorry, I didn't mean to make y'all seasick. But yeah, I mean, it's nice. And a big shout out to Gorilla Carts. Register now for your warranty. And they are nice. Really great people to work with. I'm liking them. Good company. All right, well, anyway, I just wanted to touch base with y'all. Try to get a couple more videos in before Christmas or whichever. But there's that old Gorilla cart. Yep, she's nice. She is slick. Be really nice to have. But hey, y'all, I just want to let y'all know, please subscribe. Everything's going to be all right. Need a lot of needed prayers right now for my whole family. Can't go into detail, but I just wanted to say December's been a rough month. But say your prayers, everybody out there. God bless and Semper Fi. Hey, many thanks for watching, y'all. Hoorah. Y'all take care now. Thank you for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. And say some prayers for my nephew down in Paris Island, Harry Simmons. Big shout out. Hope he's doing well. Can't wait to write a letter. But anyway, y'all take care now, y'all. God bless and Semper Fi. All right now. Bye-bye. I hope you liked the video. One more look. Yeah, I got to clean all this stuff up. Woohoo! All right, y'all take care now. God bless y'all. Howdy, everyone. Hey, we're doing a video on Gorilla Carts. This is the 10 cubic feet, 1,500 pounds, 16-inch wheels. This is awesome. Gorilla Cart sent it to me to do a video And here's what it consists of. Size and this and that. I'll be using this on the foiler a lot on the farm for odds and ends. But yeah, I just want to show you this what we got, and we're getting ready to put it together. There's tons of videos of there, people putting them together and all that kind of stuff. But I just want to give a shout out to Gorilla, because they did me a favor, but send me a cart. I'm gonna do some videos for them. Now, thank you so much, Gorilla Carts. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna put it together, and I'm not gonna bore y'all with all that. But it's gonna probably. I'll show you some stages. I will do that. All right, y'all. Well, be back here shortly and give you some more updates. All right now.